What's going on, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to correctly perform a single leg Romanian deadlift, otherwise known as the single leg RDL. And we're going to be going over this video. I'm going to be pausing and showing you the proper technique for how to do this exercise. So to start things off, you're going to want to have both feet underneath your hips, and you're going to designate your stationary leg, the leg that you're going to be doing the exercise on. And you're also going to want to grab some form of weight that you can hold in both hands. This can either be a bar or some dumbbells. And you're going to want to designate your stationary leg. So in this clip, I do my right leg as my stationary leg, the leg that I put my weight on. And as you start, you're going to want to drive your other leg back while also introducing a slight bend in your stationary leg. Let's go back here. You're going to want to drive that leg back until you are parallel, your body is parallel to the ground. Let me see if I can get it. Yep, until your upper body and your driving leg is parallel to the ground. And while this leg is going back, you want to hinge your hips slowly and tip your torso forward until you're completely parallel to the ground. Also, you're going to want to keep your arms straight and perpendicular to the floor the entire time while you're doing the exercise. And once you reach this position, you're going to want to start pulling that leg back forward. Watch. Until you're back in a standing position. Watch. So there we go. Once you get back to your standing position, that is one complete rep. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks. See y'all later.